Hello everyone. Welcome to the first webinar for uh, for learning how to code. So, I am Shreyan, and I'm going to take the first webinar in Pocket Code. I have been a software developer for more than 3 years, and today I will be teaching you one of the concepts of programming. Okay, so now we are ready to begin, I guess. Right. So today's lesson is about sequence, and to illustrate the example of sequence, I am going to take something from our daily lives, something that we are doing every day. That is washing our hands. I hope you guys are washing your hands frequently, and we will be writing a program that will teach people how to wash their hands. Right. Right. So you might be thinking that, okay, how will I write my own program? And that we will do it through Pocket Code in this webinar. So Pocket Code is a block-based programming language which works on phones, Android and iPhones. And you can use Pocket Code to make games, animations, and applications. Finally, why should you learn to write programs? Because programming helps you to think, be creative, and build other relevant skills. And it is one of the most important skills in the current digital age. So as I said at the beginning, that we will be learning about a very important concept today, that is of sequence. So what is a sequence? Right? So sequence means proper logical order. So for example, if you stand in a line with a boy and a girl, that is a proper logical order. So I will go inside Pocket Code, and I want to just show you the project which we will be doing today. That is on how to wash our hands. Right.
First turn the tap on. Rub soap on your hands for 20 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Don't forget to turn off the tap.
So now what will happen on the stage? Right, so it was a panda, and when I would tap the panda, it would tell the instructions to wash your hands, and it will show the text as well as you can hear the audio. Also, how will it look like? You will have a panda, and you will also need a background. So one thing is that Pocket Code, you can download it from the App Store, just like a normal app, and you can open it. Okay, this is how the normal screen of Pocket Code will look like. First thing you would want to do is create a new project. Click on the plus button, right? And you can give any name to your project. I will call it my first project. Okay, and I will select create an empty project and click OK. Right, so let us begin. What I will do is I'll put a background first. Right, I tap on the background. Right, so I can select any one of the background. I'm going to select this one, bamboos. Okay. Right, so this is how our current project looks like. You can press the back button on your phone and you will get an option of back. You can come back over here. Right. Next, we want to add the panda. So again, I click on the plus button and I go to media library. Right. So now I can select the panda from the second row over here. Oh, looks like the panda is in the middle of the screen. I don't want the panda in the middle. I want to move him down on the ground. Right. So that is the first thing I'm going to do, is to move the panda to the ground. So the first thing I would do is go to the event and I select the first option, when scene starts. Okay, and I want to move the panda down. To move the panda down, I select motion and play set. Right, tap on the blue block and you will see an option, place visually. Once you tap on that, you can drag the panda wherever you want. I will put him on the ground, or put her on the ground. Yes. Now if I play, Yes, my panda is on the ground now and everything is working. Next up, we want the panda to speak something. So I go back. Where do you think speak will be? Look, I think it will be in the sound. Let's see. I see this option. Speak hello. When I select this, move it down. So I tap on the brick again, the purple color brick, like this. Right? And you can select edit formula. And you can change to whatever you want. So I will say, hello. Today we will learn how to wash our hands. Right? Okay. Yes, save changes. Yeah. So the panda is telling the first sentence, right? But I also want the text to show up. For that, I again add a new block. Click on the plus. I go to looks. And I select think. Right? Tap on it. Click on the edit formula. Go to ABC and change the text. Today we are going to learn how to wash our hands. Okay. Save the changes. Right. Now let us put the next sentence, that is turn the tap on. Let's see what happens. Go to looks and I will select the other word. Think for 1 second and I'll put it in between them. So I'm going to change it back. Today we are going to learn how to wash our hands. Okay. And I'm going to increase the time a little bit, make it 5 seconds. Yes, okay, save it. Okay, so all we are going to do now is we are going to repeat the first two, the speak and the think again and again till we have all of the instructions. So I'm just going to do that. One easy way is that you can tap on the brick and you can select copy brick. So this will add a new one. And we can do the same thing again and again. I will copy. And I'm going to copy this as well. Copy brick. Copy. And finally, we should not forget to turn off the tap because we turned it on at the beginning. So again, I can copy. Don't forget to turn the tap off. Okay. So I think we are done. Let me play it once again.
Hello, today we will learn how to wash our hands. First, turn the tap on. Rub soap on our hands for 20 seconds. Rinse thoroughly. Don't forget to turn the tap off.
Right. So we are done with our program. Okay, let us have some quick quiz. Okay. So what is a sequence? Who can tell me? Yes, Rathod.
Sir, I think sequence is then when we put a thing, when we put anything steps by steps in which we can understand easily, and we put it in a sequence that we can understand also. That means for me sequence.
Right. You're almost correct, Rathod. Only thing is that it has to be in a logical order, which makes sense. Right? Yeah, you can also say it as understand, but it has to be a logical order. Okay. So I'm moving on. There is one more question. So in an application, we want to say hello and play the sound of meow when a character is tapped. Which of the following do you think is correct? A or B?
B, sir.
B.
Right. So B is the correct one, right? So that is the sequence, right? Like we want to say hello first and then play the sound of meow, right? Okay. So what did we do today? We learned about sequence. We learned a little bit about Pocket Code, how to use Pocket Code, some of the functionalities of Pocket Code, like how to create a project, what are the scripts, how to add a background, and all that. But I want to know from you, what is the one thing you liked in the class the most? Anyone?
May I say?
Yep.
I like that I learn new thing, means I learn coding. That's why I want to learn coding, and today I'm learning coding. That's why I like coding.
Right. So make sure you attend more of our webinars and watch our YouTube videos to learn more.
Okay.